So let's get into the Oculus Quest 3. So let's start this unboxing process. From the looks of the box, you just maneuver the brown internal layer from the plate paper. Cool. Now that you have this part, there is a white line right here. If you lift right above that white line, you will see the Oculus Quest 3. From the looks of the Quest 3, there are a couple different things that's already unique from the first look. So I'm gonna grab the left controller. Looking at the left controller, they removed the little hoop that they had for the Oculus Quest 2. Here's an example of the Quest 2 right here. So design-wise, it's fairly similar. It has a little bit of a slant here as well versus on the Oculus Quest 2. And then you still have your wrist part right here to keep your grip on your controller. One of the things I really like about how they changed, there is a button that is right here that basically with this button, it allows you to press it and easily get the batteries out. Like that. In the previous model in the Quest 2, I must say it was a headache changing the batteries, which is why I just left the battery thing off. And then we have the actual headset itself, the Oculus Quest 3. So looking at the design, I must say how it's connected right here is a lot thinner than the Quest 2. This strap, oh my gosh, the strap is a lot better. Now trying the Oculus Quest 3 on, it is so much more lightweight and has much of a more ergonomic feel to it. After trying it on, I've removed the lenses, so now you can kind of see what they look like. So here's the lenses itself, and it looks like now you have the auxiliary port here, your USB-C port, power button is now here. Now comparing the Oculus Quest 2 to the current model, as you can see the difference in how big the headsets are. This one being far smaller, and it is a lot more lightweight as well. I have just now turned on the Oculus Quest 3. Again, it feels so nice on the face compared to the previous Oculus Quest 2. So right now, what I'm seeing right now is I'm in the setup steps. And in the Oculus Quest 2, unfortunately, everything in the pass-through mode, which is the mode where you're leveraging the cameras and your sensors on your Quest to see what's on the outside. Previously, it was black and white, and that's how you could see the externals of the headset. Now I can see it with full color. Now it has me adjust the lens. So this is one cool feature about this headset. There is a nodule right here where you can actually move your lens so that way you can have better eye tracking. So now with the Wi-Fi, you have two different options. You can either enter the Wi-Fi details on your headset, or you can use the Quest mobile app to actually configure your Wi-Fi there. So now I guess I'm moving over to the actual Oculus Quest app.
Okay, let's jump into the app. Navigating to the MetaQuest app, I'm gonna log in with my Facebook. Now I'm going to navigate to adding a new device. Choosing my Oculus Quest 3, and since I've already logged in on my headset, I'm going to click that option, confirm my avatar, and now I'm going to enter the code that is on my headset at the moment. Cool, waiting for it to pair. Cool, successfully paired. Now I'm going to toggle through a couple of options with safety, privacy, and also data to improve MetaQuest, and enabling hand tracking. Cool, now we're all set.
So now that we have it set up with the app, let's start to set up creating our boundary. I'm gonna do a little stationary boundary. So this being the meta button here. All right, so this is what it looks like in the Oculus Quest Meta 3. So here you can see this is the virtual reality, and I have a small little boundary for myself right here. This is my little play zone if you see the little grid. And there's a plethora of different options that you can have for your virtual environment. But as you can see here, It is very clear and crisp, and Oculus/Meta has definitely improved in their user experience. Now, one other cool option, which I was speaking about previously, is the pass-through mode. Pass-through mode has improved quite a bit, so let me show you what that looks like. So as you can see here with the pass-through mode, it is still very, very clear. You can see my desk, and you still see my different options where I can scroll through my games and all that fun stuff. Well, that is all for today's unboxing with Chocoze. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much, and until next time, ciao!